Hey everybody, it's Brian. I'm going to show you today how to use corm division to turn one banana into 4 in just a few minutes. I'll be using an ensete ventricosum for this video, but the same process will work for any type of banana plant. The corm is a solid mass that exists between the stem and the roots of the banana plant. You can see here where the leaves have grown out to make the stem by the lines that run through the plant, and where those lines stop, that's where the corm starts. For this banana plant, I'm quartering the corm and planting each of the quarters separately in a new pot. The top can be cut off close to the base of the plant because any part of the stem is going to dry up in this process, so you don't need a bunch of stem in order to get this to work. You also don't need to worry about getting a bunch of roots with this. Now I'm going to turn this into a bit of an experiment. I'm going to take 2 of these quarters and completely cut the roots off so there'll be no roots at all. The other 2 will have a few roots left, and we'll see if it makes any difference in how the new banana plants grow. Put the quarters in new pots with your preferred soil mix. I'm using 1/3 potting soil, 1/3 perlite, and the rest peat moss. I ended up with 2 pieces of the roots that I had cut off that had small bits of the corm remaining on them. So I'm going to throw those in a pot, and we're going to see if we can get anything to grow from those. Like and subscribe for updates on this and other plant experiments I do around my yard near Seattle, Washington, Zone 8.